Here's Christmas morning in January, and Santa came in a big way. Look at this. It's crazy. And we're just going to get ready to have Christmas. Yay! And everything's all decorated still, and garlands, and wire over there, and poinsettias by the fireplace. But we're all decorated up. I have to look. You can see that. There's the pretty poinsettias, and the pretty mantle, and the pretty dining room, and the cute doggy. Okay. Emmy, sit with Erica. Let me take your picture.
Here she is.
Because I'm going to have to make still pictures out of these, so I need nice ones. Emmy! Hello! Good girl. Good girl. It's your Christmas portrait. We still have yet to open the bazillions of presents. So many presents. And such a pretty tree.
There you go.
Go ahead. Open. That one's for you.
Open it.
You can get it. Get it. Get it. That was for you. What is it? Oh, it's a toy. It's a Christmas toy. There she goes. And she's lost. She's gone.
She liked it anyway. Oh, I'm missing my pipe. We could otherwise have a very nice little fireside chat here on Christmas morning. My nice tweed jacket.
It looks perfect. It fits so well. Turn into a spin around for me. Oh, it looks so good. I'm so happy. Hard man to fit, it fits.
These are the Charles Carlton editions we gave to one another. They're the same thing. And not only that, but I gave one to my dad, too. If Charles Carlton were around, he would realize how loved he was. 3 of the same thing in one Christmas.
Isn't that funny?
I was hoping I'd get one because I gave 2 away, and I was thinking, I'd like to see it myself. On the Road with Charles Perrault, Season 1.
Yeah. This is my beautiful painting from an artist I admired so much. I'm going to cry. A long time ago. It's beautiful, isn't it? I just love it. It's so gorgeous.
It's called On the Shady Side by Robert Flowers from Virginia. And all of his Virginia landscapes he does on his own. And he always writes a note on the back of them on the top left corner. It says, "My source of inspiration, Jesus Christ." He's an interesting guy. A very,
I love it.
very interesting person, Robert Flowers
I'm going to
is.
build my whole living room around this painting.
It's an original watercolor.
It's so beautiful.
And he even does a little fog in the background.
It's just gorgeous. It's just gorgeous.
Hello.
So impressive.
Dig around there, you get it.
Do you want to get a present? Come on, tear the paper. Get it. Get it, Yummy. There you go. Good girl. Get it. Get it. Here you go. Try again. Get it. Get it. What is it? It's a phone.
Okay, Christmas debris starts in the dining room. And there's the Christmas girl. There's Mrs. Claus. And it starts here from the dining room, and you can see the floor is quite littered with massive amounts of debris. And we're such extravagant Americans. That's what makes this country so great. And Christmas such a wonderful holiday of commercialism. But
oh, there's a lot of love in that.
I have to say there's so much here that we both enjoy and enjoyed giving each other. And no better way to spend it than with each other. all kinds of gadgets and stuff, and boxes and paper, and there she is. Bye-bye.
There's another one of my presents. No, not the man, the chairs.
And this is one of mine.
Yes. Nice chairs.
Nice jacket.
Very nice. I'll have to go away and take the front of the house. There's little Emmy over there, puts in the yard. And there's the cute little house that's still being Christmassy. The lights aren't on, but there are garlands and everything and lights in the bushes. And through that window is the Christmas tree. Behind that handsome man in the dapper beret. I thought I was going to catch you taking a nap.
With all the banging around out there.
I'm cooking.
I know, it smells good.
It'll be good. Didn't you rest a little bit?
It's all good. The music went off, it was less relaxing.
Oh. Emmy. Who's a good girl? Who's a good girl?
Merry Crema. Merry Christmas. Look at that pretty Tannenbaum.
Mm-hmm.
This Christmas we got the Tannenbaums visiting us.
It's pretty.
County Comic Santa.
Mm-hmm.
Yes, Emmy the Bug. Too many sideburns? Those were freshly done today.